project management per se, where does it start? I mean, I think it really starts from the beginning. I mean, before you even get an architect on board, I think project manager can really help you get an architect, get an engineer, get your whole team together. I mean, as the developer really has that kind of advantage. And the other thing is obviously the initial part of our business is to coordinate everybody, put everything together, make sure that everybody is talking the same language, and have a communication platform. I think that's very, very important. Everybody's talking the same thing, because half the projects get messed up, do not work because people don't communicate, people don't talk. And as he was talking about Facebook, it's so important to communicate and make sure that you understand each other. That's how decisions get done. And obviously after this whole initial process is, that initial pain is there, but once the pain is over, I think it can really kind of get, if the team works, you can really get into a, it's always great to end with a great project at the end. Obviously, we do the tendering, we do the structuring of contracts, and various things like, running through the site management procedures, quality control. I think Surat has just now started witnessing the use of project management. I was talking to somebody during the lunchtime that people are looking at project management in real estate projects. We will be right through till the end also. I mean, as project managers, we will be handing over the site to the developer in terms of giving the snag list and handing over documents, final, so that the operations team can take over these kind of projects.